one of them. This is the second item from Temp-tations in their new Sculptural pattern. The newest pattern from Temp-tations just launched this week, and you can see how very tactile it is. It's old world and floral lace combined, and it's got beautiful rays to it. And it's an updated embossed look, and the bamboo lids have a silicone seal on the inside that is very strong and keeps your food, whatever you put on the inside, secure. So you've got 3 sizes here in the offer today. You've got the biggest one, which is 2 quart.
Hello.
You've got the second one, which is a quart. And then you have the third one, which is a half quart. Now, I want to take you down in front of the table because here you're getting a good look at that white. Directly in front of the white, I also have them for you in slate. Isn't that pretty? Just a dusty blue shade. Next to it, I have them in taupe. I also have them right next door in plum. Have you seen plum? Isn't that pretty? And then at the very end of the table, I have it for you in gray. So here's your price tag. 5 easy payments of $6.80. Bamboo wood lids, stoneware, and we get to spend time with Lisa Lasorte. Lisa Lasorte is the Vice President of Merchandising and Broadcasting for the Temp-tations family, and she is joining us live via Skype on In the Kitchen with David today. Hello, my friend. How are you?
Hello, my friend. How exciting. A brand new pattern for Temp-tations, right?
It's a big day.
Ooh. It is a big day, and this is the second piece in our line. And yeah, it is that embossed classic sculptural pattern. What does that mean? That means we took the 2 most popular patterns, Old World and Floral Lace, and we laid them on top of that gorgeous stoneware. It's all rosemary, just like you said, so it's a roadmap. You can literally feel these pieces, and we put them really close together. It gives it that really tight weave design. And then we put that glass glaze on top that just brings it to life. And Mary, when we designed these, thank you, that looks so stunning. We designed these so that no matter what you collect in Temp-tations, no matter what color, no matter what pattern, this will match back to everything that you already have. And Mary, when we think about how important canisters are, so important for that airtight seal in the summertime, right?
Absolutely. I'm just showing that seal. By the way, this one has candy in it, so yeah, I was pretty excited about that. But I own a set of Temp-tations canisters in the lemon, and I use them for coffee. I use one of them as a catch-all because you can really keep your countertop tidy when you have beautiful canisters, and the ones from Temp-tations are so good.
Now, yeah, Mary, absolutely.
Now, 200 have already been ordered. We are loving the white. Lisa, I'm going to run everybody through the color choices again. We have them in the slate, which is gorgeous. It's a slate blue. It's a beautiful dusty blue. We also have them in taupe. Here is the plum. At the very end of the table, we have them for you in gray. You know, the 5 easy payments are gone at the end of the day. Gray is the most limited. And Lisa, how did this come about? Will you tell us all the details?
Yeah, absolutely. So we wanted to come up with that neutral palette for you, that sculptural solid color. So we decided to take the 2 most popular patterns of Old World and Floral Lace and lay them on top of these gorgeous canisters. 3 of the most popular sizes. So you're going to get the 2 quart, you're going to get the 1 quart, and you're going to get the half quart. And check this out, Mary, just like all of your Temp-tations, they're going to nest together so that if you need to tuck them away, like I don't know why you would, but if you need to, there you go. You can literally store them just inside of each other. But I want you to think not only things like coffee grounds and K-cups and sugar and brown sugar. That silicone seal with the bamboo lid is really important as we get into these warmer months. But it's so many more things that you can do with it, right?
Oh,
you can put flowers in here. You can do fresh basil. You can do succulents. You can actually put these in the oven up to 500 degrees. So if you wanted to warm up a sauce, or if you wanted to do like some chili or something like that, this is all the functionality of stoneware that you know and love. Oven safe to 500 degrees, microwave, refrigerator, freezer, and dishwasher safe, Mary.
You know, we are loving all of the new in the show today. We're loving this set too. There are 500 that have now been ordered in the show. But I look at it as this, because it has old world and floral lace incorporated into the sculptural, it is going to match with your existing Temp-tations sets. But even if you're watching QVC for the first time right now and you're saying, I don't have any other sets of Temp-tations, this is a beautiful way to start, because the clutter on the kitchen counter is real. Whether you're using them to store coffee beans or you just leave one empty so that you can put the car keys in it so they're not laying all over the kitchen island, you can do that. Or if you're just using it as a catch-all for maybe some candy, nobody has to know. Maybe you've got some little kitty or dog treats. But the white is very popular. Remember, you're getting a half, what is it, a half quart?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, half quart, a full quart, and then 2 quart size. You're getting all 3. That white is very popular right now. This is that gorgeous slate blue. This is a beautiful match. If you already have a gray kitchen, pop a little color in there. Even if you don't want to get silly with the color, that's a great way to go. Here is taupe. This is a gorgeous warm shade of taupe. Next, we have the plum. Plum is a perfect mix of lilac and purple. So it does have a little heathered to it in my mind as far as the color is concerned. At the end of the table, though, we've got that gray, and gray is the most limited color choice. You know, Lisa, I know you have pets. You know, I have pets. When it comes to trying to keep all of their stuff organized, it never just looks good when we do. I've got everything for the dogs, the cats, and the leashes and all of it organized in all 3 canisters.
Yeah, this is the thing, Mary. This is really for every room in your home. When you think about canisters that have that updated wood look, this isn't just for the kitchen. This is home decor as well. So think about the powder room. Think about the baby's room. Think about all those things that you buy in bags that you now want to put, like whether it's grains or pretzels or maybe even those little candy-coated candies that you had. That airtight, watertight seal now keeps it fresh in those summer months when it just gets so hot outside. And it's so easy for everything to just get stale.
Yeah.
You know, not only is this beautiful, it's functional as well.
Yeah, for sure. Over 1,000 have now been ordered. By the way, everybody, the candy is in this one, just so you know. When you come, right? I'm going to send that right upstairs. Quickly here at the end, we've got it for you in white. We also have the slate blue. We have taupe. We have plum, and we have gray. But again, that gray is our most limited. Those 5 easy payments are gone at the end of the day. This is brand new today from Temp-tations. And Lisa, will you come back and talk to us a little bit more about another Temp-tations item in the show?
I'm not going anywhere, my friend. I got my phone and I'm shopping, okay?
Yay. Oh my gosh, me too. And I'm wearing the Susan Graver Today special value because I know you'll want to know. Isn't it adorable?
I love that.
So pretty.
Yes.
All right, I'll see you in a little bit.
Okay.
You know what?
Bye,
Thank you. But coming up from Temp-tations, we've got the set of 3.